Hello, my name is Malcolm McCandless. I am a theater major. I chose this major a lot because there's so much freedom in the major. I mean, when you declare as a theater major, you don't have to pick an emphasis right away. It could be stage management or acting or directing. You enroll as a general theater major and then you're able to choose your focus. And so someone who's coming in who is not quite sure about what position in theater they want to try, this program gives you a great opportunity to try a bunch of different things and see what's right for you.
I knew I wanted to get into more costume design, fashion design, theater, and I wanted a bigger feel for a school. And I came here.
Yeah, so an opportunity that the department has is the ability to participate in university theater main stage shows. So these are the big shows that the university puts on every year, and they do a great job of bringing in guest directors as well. So we're able to work with industry professionals who are super experienced and bring a broad range of directing and performance skills to the table. They also use certain faculty as well to direct these shows. So this is really an opportunity to bring students together from the theater department to take those skills beyond just the classroom setting and really get a chance to apply it to a show.